Make sure you've got a nice fresh blade. Going off as trusty. Notebook. Morning. Back. Everything's finished. Bolt walls are finished. Ceilings are up. We managed to mount that. I didn't record that because that was 40 kilograms. That were a task to lift on. I had to get someone to be in hand. Lift it on so heavy. But yeah. Put some battens in wall so it's screwed to 3x2 timber. So today we're going to cut the back boxes out, the spotlights, the switch, do the board. We've then just got to get the cable back from here into the cellar where there's a new fuse board that we recently just changed. What I have done on this one is a little drawing of the room and put all those measurements in as well. So we're going to work off this to get everything cut out. So we've got as mark, that's 1200 to top, I think. Just check it again. Yeah, 115 from this wall, which is here. I'll just move it a little bit across from that lip. It's obviously going to get painted in here anyway, so make sure you've got a nice fresh blade. Oh, nearly. Tell you what, it's red hot and all today. Yeah, first one out, we're on. I don't think that's too bad a cut, to be fair. Switch lives, permanent, in, get a dry liner. See here, innit? When you're putting dry liners in, I always, rather than taking it back out, take top and bottom out. It just gives you a bit more flexibility where single installation won't be on show. Centaur boxes from CEF, they're really good for dry liners. I'm happy with that. Just got to cut sockets out, 4 sockets, a single socket for that rad. I'm going to do that now. Good tidy up, get spots cut out after. So that's second fixing. I'm going to cut microphones down. I'm going to cut sockets out, 320 at the bottom, and they go in 150 front wall, not from that 2v, whatever that is, 2v1 that. All sockets are cut out, boards out, got to cut, spotlights out next. This we're fitting JCC X50s. Cut out is 68 to 70mm. So we'll use a 70mm also to give us a bit more play. I've marked out, if you can see, vaguely see it, but that's his laser. Going off as trusty. Notebooks. going to set up a time lapse while we do alt second fixing. We've already done one spotlight, but got 5 more spots to do. 2-gang switch and just 4 doubles and either a single socket or a 20 amp double pole switch. So yeah. Good spots these JCCAs, these. Yeah, the CCT as well, wattage selectable. Put them on warm white for in here, 5 watt white bezel. But customer can change it at any point, and you can change bezels too, which is good. So you'll see how far behind this video is when you watch it. And then that never stops. No way! This socket's got a crack in it. I have to zoom in. Okay, that bloody dog barking. Oh my ear. Nearly finished. 29 degrees today. Right, we're going to whiz through some testing. Do a couple of R1, R2s, what we need to do. Test board, RCD trip time. I reckon about 0.6. I mean, it's quite a bit of a run, to be honest. Nah, 0.5. No, 0.35. Decent. Our R1, R2 link. So sockets, we know that that one there is our ender line. Good. This is on its own circuit heater. I wired 2 radials in here. One for sockets and one for heater. This reading should be lower because it's a shorter run, and it's same size cable, so it should be lower. It were 0.23 when it's gone off. I think he's just asked me to shorten that. I left it a bit long. I was going to shove it round back, but I'll check and I'll shorten it if needed. Just got to do lights. That's in the line there. Finally finished. Not my van. 2-gang dimmer. That one controls Z lights. This one controls these 4 above my head. That is a sub-main. That's why we've got MCBs, because at the board end we've got an RCBO Type A 32 amp, pulled a 6mm in, but yeah, electric towel rad, 4 sockets, all done, dusted, can go home now. I've got to start another rewire tomorrow. I've got to start a rewire tomorrow, so I'm going to go drop off wall chase at alt bits at job. Ladies moved out for a bit. So yeah, we'll see you on the next one.